Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over my AeroGarden review. And so I've had this for well over 2 years now, and it's been absolutely phenomenal. It's super easy to set up. So I have the 6-pod AeroGarden version, and so with this AeroGarden, the main thing that I actually grow is lettuce. So because lettuce is a pretty rooty vegetable, I must say, I actually put lettuce over here and then I place lettuce over here. Now I do cover the non-used holes with tinfoil just because I don't want like algae to start growing on the side. So I do cut out little tinfoil pieces in order to actually prevent that from happening. But with these pods though, I mean, super easy to use. I mean, you just buy the dirt ones that it comes with and then you actually plant the lettuce seed inside of it. You could actually see that lettuce is already starting to grow out of each of them. So we have roots over there and roots over there. But right now it's been about, I'd say around 4 to 5 days, and we finally have it almost touching the top. So I'll actually be taking the cover of this off, since once it touches the top of the actual plastic cover is when it's recommended that you actually take out the plastic cover. So because this one right here hasn't touched the top yet, I'll leave that one be still. But as you can see, right now it is in the process of growing, and as it grows taller, I will be extending this right here. Now, I'd say as far as my review goes, this has been really easy to set up. I mean, you just pour water and you simply just follow the indicators down over here. So when it says add plant food, you add plant food. When you want to add water, add water. I'd say the main thing though is like when I'm watching movies, which is right over there in my living room, I'd say like the light is a bit distracting though, so sometimes I do have to manually turn it on and off by clicking on this button. But overall, the AeroGarden pretty much takes care of itself. So it's a really easy machine to use. It's really easy to clean as well. You might hear like very subtle noise from it at night if you're down, or if you're around this at night by yourself. So there is some watering noise, there is some like machinery noise, but it's very subtle. I wouldn't say it's distracting at all. The only other thing is that I do wish I got the bigger version just so I can plant more lettuce. But overall, it's a really good piece of equipment as far as if you want to grow herbs especially. This is an absolutely fantastic way to do it through hydroponics. And then I just wish also that instead of me having to cut out tinfoil pieces like what you see right here, I wish that there was a way to cover the unused holes, like an actual plastic piece that would fit into the circular piece right there. So I do have to manually cut these out every single time just so it doesn't get so dirty. But overall, I'd say it's a really good piece. If you're into planting or if you want to grow your own herbs or vegetables, this is a really good option to get. But you can really see that right now it's growing up. And so if you guys have any questions on this review, let me know in the comments down below. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.